On September 19, 2019, a dashcam recorded a ball of fire coming out of a thunderstorm over Russia. Ball lightning, electric orb, is an unexplained and potentially dangerous atmospheric electrical phenomenon and has captivated and mystified us for centuries, and although scientists seem to agree ball lightning is real, even if they don't yet fully understand what causes it. But since this ball of fire follows a very strange trajectory before it disappears, we may wonder whether it is ball lightning or something else.